In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF into Canva. This is a handy skill to have if you're looking to design new documents or enhance existing PDFs with Canva's tools. By following these steps, you can import your PDF seamlessly and start working on it right away. Let's dive in and make sure you can do this with ease and confidence. First, begin by heading over to Canva. If you don't already have a Canva account, you'll want to sign up. But assuming you do, go ahead and log in. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here, you'll want to look for the option to upload files. This is typically found on the sidebar or under the Uploads tab, depending on what version or interface you are using. You'll start by clicking on the Upload button. This is a crucial first step as it sets your intention to bring new content into Canva. After you click that, you'll be presented with a few options. It's important to pay attention here, as the next click is what makes everything happen smoothly. You'll want to click on the Upload Files button specifically. Once you've made this selection, you'll be prompted to choose the PDF file you wish to upload from your computer. If your PDF is saved somewhere easily accessible, this step should be a breeze. Navigate through your folders to find the file you need. It could be on your desktop, in your Documents folder, or maybe even in a Downloads file. Wherever you've saved it, head there and select the PDF. Once you select your PDF, the file will begin uploading into Canva. Keep in mind that it might take a few seconds to a minute, depending on the size of your file and your internet connection speed. While the file is uploading, you can take a quick look around Canva, but keep an eye out for when the upload is complete. Once the file has successfully uploaded, you'll find it in your Uploads folder on Canva's interface. From there, you can drag and drop it into any project you're working on or start a new project entirely. This feature is wonderful as it allows you to add new design elements, text, images, or any other tools that Canva offers right onto your PDF. Remember, this process is as simple as it sounds, and once you've done it a few times, it'll become second nature. This is a great way to reimagine and redesign old documents, giving them a fresh look using Canva's diverse range of design tools. So there you have it. You can now say goodbye to any trouble importing PDFs into Canva. Enjoy exploring and getting creative with your PDF files right within Canva, and let your imagination take your projects to new heights. Thank you for watching, and have fun designing.